Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I will show you how to use Gemini 2.0 for advanced code debugging. Whether you're beginner troubleshooting basic errors or an experienced developer handling complex systems, Gemini 2.0 can simplify the debugging process with AI-powered insights and solutions. First of all, access the Gemini 2.0. Make sure that you click the Gemini title at the top left to change it to Gemini 2.0, right? And input your code. Copy and paste the code that you want, the code you want to debug into the editor, or upload your file. For example, I can go ahead and click right here, the photo at the bottom left, and select choose file to debug. And let's say you are working on a Python script that isn't recurring or returning the expected output. So in my case, I already copied one, but if you want to basically take the code, or you want to take the time to take the to add the code, you can do that on your own time. You can pause the video. In my case, I've already copied it, right? And I'm gonna write this code, right, to calculate the factorial of a number, but it's a returning incorrect results for input greater than 1, right? After pasting this code into Gemini 2.0, the AI will scan for errors. I'm gonna hit enter right here. Okay. As you can see right here, you're gonna see that code explanation, right? And will provides solutions, right? And basically, this approach avoids reorigin, making it more efficient and eliminating the risk of stack overflow, right? And you can test that code that you copied, right? And basically, you're gonna copy basically the solutions or the results and fix the coding that you did before you had the solution, right? You're gonna see right here the solution, and copy the solution and add it to your code, right? And you can scroll a little bit down, click the 3 dots at the bottom. You can copy it or share or export, or you can download it or export to collab or Replit, or export as a doc, right? And that's how you can use Gemini 2.0 for advanced code debugging. It doesn't just identify errors, it helps you understand and fix them efficiently. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments how Gemini 2.0 has improved your coding workflow. So, see you in the next one.